konting cabbage, konting tomatoes, konting beans. Those things, siguro yun isa sa pagkakaabalahan ng lolo at ng lola during our retirement days. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo-lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So, anong kwento ng Lola Miray for today? Soon, in few months, magre-retire na rin ang lolo. So, what we are going to do, what we plan in the days ahead on how we are going to spend the retirement time together. So, very excited ang Lola Miray for the time that finally, we will have more time together, more time to walk together, and more time to really spend our quality time together. For so long, we work, our focus was to build our own family. Our focus is to send our children to school, give them the best future that we could, in the best of our ability, and of course with the grace of God. And now that all are grown-ups and Lolo is soon to retire, Lola Miray is so happy. Lola Miray is looking forward for the future, for the days to spend with Lolo, that hopefully matupad yung mga gusto naming mangyari ng lolo. Maybe we could spend some of our time in the mini farm, in Lola Miray's mini farm. We can travel together, we can go to market together, and we can rest, you know, yung comfortably na simple lang kasi ang buhay na gusto ng Lola Miray at ng lolo. Yung simpleng especially if you are I'm not sure if ako lang yon, pero this time simple na lang yung mga pagkain na gusto ng lola. Mga gulay, isda, prutas. That's the only thing that a-appeal sa appetite ng lola. So now is tamo, wala na talaga mga dahon, oh. Tcharan! Pero maganda pa rin dito sa park in any season sa buhay ng tao. Ganun din, pabago-bago, may kanya-kanyang time. But I believe na pagdaraanan talaga ng lahat ng tao ang seasons, different season ng ating buhay. And for Lola Miray, I think I have my fair share of what life is about, of all the season in one's life. And muna tayo. I'll have few minutes more before I will go home, and hopefully kayo din mga lolo, mga lola, masaya kayo, healthy kayo, and trying to be happy sa everyday ng ating buhay. Of course, may mga problems, may mga struggles, may mga trials. Lahat yan part ng buhay natin. And I believe na we will survive. Kaya natin yan as long as naniniwala tayo na andyan lang si Lord, hindi tayo pababayaan. O diba mga lola? This part has been part of Lola Miray's activities, daily life on in the past year. Almost 2 years na nandito, nagpupunta sa park ang Lola Miray, and not every day, but as long as I can, I'm here. And I am so thankful na God provided me with this kind of environment, this kind of settings, isang yugto ng buhay ng Lola Miray. Ganda ng hangin. Kahit dito lang, masaya lang Lola eh. Ang Lolo din naman, simple lang yung gusto. So, kami ng Lolo, most probably, this part will be part of our daily routine kung nandito kami sa Hong Kong. And of course, there will be time na uwi kami ng Pilipinas and we will do the farming in the sense of tanim-tanim ng yung gusto ko yung if you watch the other videos where I went to a farm here in Hong Kong, yung maliliit na plat lang yung tanim ng konting cabbage, konting tomatoes, konting beans, those things. Siguro yun isa sa pagkakaabalahan ng Lolo at ng Lola during our retirement days. Hopefully, hoping and praying na we will be healthy, with a good body, good strength, enough to do what we want, what we wish, and what we pray. So, pauwi na tayo. So, mga lolo, mga lola, mga naning, mga tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, hanggang dito na lang at muli. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa Lola Miray dito sa ating munting paglalakbay dito sa park. So hanggang sa muli, ingat and God bless everyone.